Hey, welcome back to Easy Lingo English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna. And honestly, today's episode might be one of my favorites.
Why, Anna?
Because today isn't a lesson. It's a workout for your mouth. Here's how it works. I'll ask a question. Paul answers. Slow first, then at natural speed.
Then a pause. And in that pause, you answer. Out loud. Even quietly. Even in your room.
These are real questions people ask every single day. At home, at work, on the street, with friends.
Like, can I sit here? What should I bring? Who can help me? Small questions, but they build your whole conversation.
You don't need perfect grammar for this. You just need your voice.
So relax your shoulders, take a breath, and let's start with the first 15. Daily errands and quick help.
Whom to ask?
You can ask me.
What must I bring?
You must bring your ID.
Which one to choose?
Choose the cheaper one.
Which way to go?
Go straight, then turn left.
Why can't I enter?
You can't enter without a ticket.
Where can I sit?
You can sit on the sofa.
How would they react?
They would react with great surprise.
When might the store open?
It might open at 9.
Why must I wait?
You must wait for your turn.
Which key to use?
Use the small silver key.
Why must she leave now?
She must leave to catch her flight.
What should we discuss?
We should discuss the new project.
Who can fix the screen?
The technician can fix it.
Where to buy fresh bread?
Go to the local bakery.
How to boil an egg?
Cook it in boiling water. 15 down. And honestly, you just spoke 15 full English answers. Keep that energy. Here comes block 2.
Block 2. Work, home, and advice. How can she contact you?
She can send an email.
When must we reply?
We must reply by tomorrow morning.
Why would you say that?
I would say that to be honest.
Which book should I read?
You should read the short one.
What can we print?
We can print the event flyers.
Why should I worry?
There is no need to worry.
What could we do?
We could watch a movie.
Who must sign this?
The manager must sign this.
Where should I put this?
You should put it on the shelf.
How can I pay?
You can pay by credit card.
What can I do now?
You can call for assistance.
Who must attend?
All staff members must attend.
Who can fix the pipe?
The plumber can fix it.
How could I improve?
You could practice daily.
When may we leave?
You may leave at 5. 30 sentences. And here's the strange part. Your brain is already predicting the pattern.
That's not luck. That's how fluency actually starts. Let's keep building it.
Block 3. Travel and everyday decisions.
Why must I come?
You must come to sign the form.
Who might win?
You might win.
Where could I go?
You could go home or somewhere else.
Why should I apologize?
You should apologize for your mistake.
What should I bring?
You should bring your passport.
What could go wrong?
The delivery could be delayed.
Who must pay the bill?
The guest must pay it.
Where can we put the luggage?
You can put it in the trunk.
How would he know?
He would know from the news.
When might it stop raining?
It might stop in an hour.
Where can I buy milk?
You can buy it at the market.
How would you fix it?
I would fix it with glue.
When might they arrive?
They might arrive by evening.
Why must we hurry?
We must hurry to catch the bus.
Which room to use? Use the conference room upstairs. 45 sentences. You're a third of the way through, and honestly, your mouth is already warming up.
Let's keep going.
Block 4. School, work, and small talk.
Where must I report?
You must report to the front desk.
What might go wrong?
The computer might stop working.
Who should I invite?
You should invite your close friends.
Where may I wait?
You may wait in the lobby.
Why could he be late?
He could be late because of traffic.
Where should I go?
You should go to the beach.
How should I do it?
You should do it carefully.
When should I leave?
You should leave after breakfast.
Why should I do that?
You should do that to save time.
Whom should I ask?
You should ask your teacher.
When to turn off the lights?
Turn them off before bed.
Why could the flight be late?
It could be late due to fog.
What would you buy?
I would buy the blue shirt.
Who might help us move?
Our neighbors might help us.
Where should I sign?
You should sign at the bottom.
60 sentences. Halfway. And I want you to notice something.
What's that?
These are all tiny words. Can, could, should, must, might, would. But together, they control almost every real conversation you'll ever have.
That's actually true. We'll come back to that. For now, block 5.
Block 5. Getting around town.
Who can help me?
The receptionist can help you.
Where would you stay?
I would stay near the station.
Why would they refuse?
They would refuse because it's unsafe.
What would you recommend?
I would recommend the chicken soup.
Who would know the answer?
The manager would know the answer.
Why would they leave?
They would leave to avoid the rain.
Which bus should I take?
You should take the number 5.
Who might visit us?
Our cousins might visit.
Where can we eat?
We can eat at the cafe.
How to start the machine?
Press the green button.
Which laptop can I use?
You can use the silver one.
What might they say?
They might say no to the idea.
Who must I call?
You must call the police.
Where should we park?
We should park in the driveway.
How can I learn faster?
You can learn faster by practicing. 75. And honestly, that last one is the whole point of this video.
You learn faster.
By practicing. Not by reading, not by memorizing, by doing exactly what you're doing right now.
Block 6. Relax, food, and feelings.
When to call them?
Call them before lunch.
Why would he cry?
He would cry if he's sad.
What would you eat?
I would eat the pizza.
Where might I find her?
You might find her in the library.
Who should I text?
You should text your manager.
Which one should I take?
You should take the blue one.
What to do?
Just sit down and relax.
Where to go?
Let's go to the park.
How to solve it?
Solve it step by step.
Where can I park?
You can park behind the building.
Why would the dog bark?
It would bark at strangers.
Which seat can I take?
You can take any empty seat.
What might she forget?
She might forget her keys.
Who should we invite?
We should invite our neighbors.
Where could they hide?
They could hide in the basement.
90 sentences. Seriously, sit with that for a second.
10 more minutes. You've got this.
Block 7. Home, environment, and skills.
Which train should we take?
We should take the express train.
What might happen next?
The price might go up.
Who must clean the kitchen?
The staff must clean it.
Where should we hide?
We should hide behind the curtain.
How can I get there?
You can take the subway.
Who might need a ticket?
Everyone might need a ticket.
Where to find the tools?
Look inside the garage.
How to change the password?
Go to the settings menu.
Why should they care?
They should care about the environment.
Which coat is warmer?
The black one is warmer.
What should we cook?
We should cook some pasta.
Who can speak French?
The tour guide can speak French.
Where to print this?
Print it in the office room.
How to open the window?
Twist the handle to the right.
Why would she leave early?
She would leave early for an appointment. 105. You're deep in it now. And your mouth, it's not fighting anymore. It's just speaking.
Block 8. Work life and little surprises.
What should I wear?
You should wear something casual.
Who can drive the van?
The driver can drive it.
Where to drop the keys?
Drop them in the mailbox.
How to restart the phone.
Hold down the power button.
Why would they complain?
They would complain about the noise.
When to plant the seeds.
Plant them during the spring.
Why could the train be delayed?
It could be delayed by snow.
What would you change?
I would change the background color.
Who might know the secret?
Only the director might know.
Who should I email?
You should email the HR department.
What to say?
Say anything you like.
Whom to call?
Call the police.
When to leave?
Let's leave right now.
What can happen?
Something unexpected can happen.
Where do we meet?
We meet at the station. 120. And honestly, most people never even try this many in one sitting.
You did. 30 left. Let's finish this together.
Block 9. Family, health, and friendship.
Where can I charge my phone?
You can charge it near the window.
What should I say to my boss?
You should be honest and calm.
Who can pick up the kids?
My mom can pick them up.
Why must I turn off my phone?
You must turn it off before the meeting.
Where would you eat tonight?
I would eat at the new restaurant.
What might she say if I text her?
She might say yes right away.
Who should I ask for directions?
You should ask a local shop owner.
Where can I find a doctor?
You can find one near the pharmacy.
Why should we save money?
We should save money for emergencies.
Which shoes should I wear?
You should wear the comfortable ones.
Who could join us for dinner?
Our friends could join us.
Where must I return this?
You must return it to the same store.
Why might she be upset?
She might be upset about the news.
What should I bring to the party?
You should bring a small gift.
Who can translate this for me?
My friend can translate it.
135. And here's the thing nobody tells you.
What's that?
You didn't need to be fluent to start this video. You just needed to show up. And you did, every single time.
Block 10. Confidence, care, and looking ahead.
Where should we celebrate?
We should celebrate at home.
How could I say sorry?
You could send a simple message.
When must I renew my passport?
You must renew it before it expires.
Why would he skip breakfast?
He would skip it if he's in a hurry.
What might happen if I'm late?
They might start without you.
Who should fix this problem?
The manager should fix it.
Where can I charge my laptop?
You can charge it at the desk.
Why must we recycle?
We must recycle to help the planet.
What would you wear to the interview?
I would wear something simple and neat.
Who might call me tonight?
Your sister might call you.
Where should I keep my passport?
You should keep it in a safe place.
How can I stay calm?
You can breathe slowly and relax.
Why should I listen carefully?
You should listen to understand fully.
What could we watch tonight?
We could watch a comedy.
And the last one. Where do we go from here?
We just keep moving forward. Together. 150. You just did that.
Valuable lesson. The 6 tiny words that run your whole life.
Okay, can we talk about something for a second?
Please.
Did you notice that almost every single answer today used one of 6 words? Can, could, should, must, might, would?
I noticed. And here's the strange part. Nobody explains why those 6 words matter so much.
So let's make it simple. Think of them like 6 different feelings in your voice.
Can is permission. You can sit here.
Should is advice. You should read this book.
Must is a rule. You must bring your ID.
Might and could are a guess. It might rain. It could stop soon.
And would is imagination. I would buy the blue shirt, if I were you.
That's it. That's the whole secret. 6 feelings, not 6 grammar rules.
And once your brain feels the difference between them, you stop translating. You just know which one fits.
It's like knowing the difference between a whisper and a shout. You don't think about it. You just feel it.
And that feeling, it comes from exactly what you did today. Hearing it, saying it, over and over.
Not from a textbook. From your own mouth, out loud, 150 times.
Can I be honest with you for a second?
Always.
A lot of people watch videos like this and never speak a single word out loud. They just listen.
And that's okay too. But you spoke today. Quietly maybe, alone maybe, but you spoke.
And that's the actual difference between someone who stays stuck and someone who starts moving.
You didn't need perfect grammar today. You didn't need a big vocabulary.
You just needed to open your mouth, and you did it 150 times.
So however this felt, a little easy, a little hard, a little embarrassing, it doesn't matter.
What matters is you showed up. And tomorrow, when someone asks you a real question in English,
Your mouth will already know what to do.
if this helped even a little, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps more people find us.
And drop one sentence in the comments. Any sentence from today. Just to prove to yourself that you can.
We read every single one.
Come back tomorrow. We'll do this again.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.